All right, well, hello and welcome to Corgimas Day 7. Today is going to be a little throwback video because yesterday I wasn't feeling well. So I am going to use footage from her first major snowstorm. Isn't that right, Dixie? Dixie wants snow for Christmas. But I don't think we're going to have snow for Christmas. But Dixie was a little scared of the snow at first, but she ended up really loving it. So yeah, this is footage from the first Chicago snowstorm. Are you stealing more treats? And yeah, shout out to my stepdad Ronnie, who was like, no Dixie video, no Corgimas video yesterday. So I apologize for that, but yeah, here's the footage. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, because Dixie loves you as much as she loves treats. Whoa, Dixie is in the snow. Come here. Holy hell, it's windy. Whoa, what do you think of the snow, Dixie? What do you think of the snow? You want to play in the snow? Dixie! That's dirty snow. Come here. Hi. Oh, I'm falling. You having fun?